Namaste, I'm Javin Dr. Sapna Gehlot and my session is on elements of national power, military preparedness and military element. क्या समझते हैं आप इससे? The military element is another factor of national power because ultimately all nations are forced to depend on its own system of security and power. The military element of national power depends both on the quantity and quality of its armed forces. A country with a large number of armed personnel is always more and more powerful. From the quality point of view, the nature of training, morale of army and military leadership are of great help in promotion of national power. Another important aspect of military determinant of national power is the quality of arms and ammunition. This is to be large extent depends on the financial resources, industrial capacity as well as the military research. The next is the ideology. Ideas and ideologies are element of the power of state. The ideology that a government upholds can be source of unity and support of the people at home and abroad. The adoption of ideology of democratic socialism helped India to establish friendly and cooperative relations with the democratic West and the socialist East. It also acted as a source of popular support for the government of India. While evaluating the role of ideology as an element of national power, the propaganda and publicity facilities available to a state also act as a factor of national power. The next is the organization and quality of government. Effectiveness of government organization and administration with the state is very essential for a nation to become powerful. Only a well-organized and well-functioning democratic government can be an enduring and helpful factor of national power. The next is a national character and national moral. National character is a collective name for referring to the traits of the people, their attitude and the aptitude towards work and national needs. National character undoubtedly influences national power as its manifest qualitative makeup of the people in their actual behavior. The next is a national moral. National moral is also an element of national power. A high and healthy national moral can be a big source of power which can lead to successful use of power for securing the national interest. The high moral of Indian Army was a factor with the victories in 1971 Bangladesh War and 1999 Kargil War with Pakistan. National character and moral are elements of national power, but their role can be positive or negative. Further, their evaluation as factors of national power must be done with reference to other human and the material factors. The next one is the diplomacy. Hans G. Morgenthau said it was the most important though unstable element of national power. Diplomacy of high quality can bring the ends and means of foreign policy into harmony with the available resources of national power. The role of diplomacy as an element of national power has undergone a big change in the contemporary times. The emergence of new diplomacy, open and conference diplomacy has somewhat limited its role as a factor of national power. A diplomacy of high quality can effectively contribute towards an effective and successful exercise of national power. All elements of national powers, you can say others are like their reputation, foreign support and links, accidents in the form of sudden natural calamity or the calamities can be source of weakness, whereas a sudden accidental discovery of vital raw materials like oil in the offshore and basins can be source of strength. We have to take into account of all these tangible and intangible elements for evaluating the national power of the nation. It must be remembered that these factors do not individually and automatically determine the national power of a nation. Only when material factors are combined with right types of human factor, with these become factors of national power. Moreover, their relative importance and role keeps on changing from time to time. Hence, these have to be systematically and continuously evaluated.